We're having some friends over, Chris and I thought I would try and make Bolognese. I think that's right. That is very good Italian sauce that you put over pasta. So I got done cooking up the beef and the pork. Now I'm gonna, so there's pancetta in here. You've got kind of that mixture because you're making this type of sauce. I've got onions, carrots, and celery all right here. They're all cut up. And you know I don't cut onions when I'm doing a video because it makes my eyes water and looks like I'm just crying and having an absolute miserable time, which I'm not. Okay, our friends are here. We're getting ready to eat. So you can find this recipe and all of the others at Amy Roloff's Little Kitchen on my YouTube channel.